So here is another video driving in a BYD Shark on the passenger seat to check the noise in the cabin. With the window rolled down, there are quite some noise, especially from the bikes in front. But then when you look like how much, and we are driving 79 kilometers per hour, and with all the traffic. But when I roll the window down, all of a sudden it's nice and quiet. I think it's an excellent job, and there is only a little bit of the electric motor winding noise, but only when we accelerate, not much now in particular, and almost none. So I think it's a really good job on noise, vibration and harshness in this BYD Shark. We try again. It's not only there is a noise on the road, but it's also the wind outside. Noise from the truck. And now? And now it's nice and quiet. So I'm like honestly impressed. So smash likes and check the other videos in the description. That you will find their reviews on the BYD Shark and my other electric car reviews.